Make a great choice today with the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.